My drone just crash landed in a field here in the middle of Taiwan. Now these bombs were in areas where Manuel and I were skipping. 我还是活下来的一个大空拍机意外。
I have a reason to cry tonight.
Okay, so I've got something to show you guys today. Kidding me? 带了不正确的遥控。哎！哇！我有2个遥控，原因是因为我之前有一个空拍机坏掉了。And you know that is today's topic. So 今天我要跟你们分享我遇到 Top 5最夸张的空拍机意外。My drone just crash landed in a field here in the middle of Taiwan. I hear this and it said like voltage warning, the battery's bad. It had 100% when I started flying. 2 minutes in, it's down. Get out. Found it. In Taiwan, there's actually a lot new drone rules. Like you can't fly over 400 feet. I believe that's 300 meters. Is that what it is, Manuel? I myself feel drones are an essential tool to making a beautiful product. And I don't want to get any more bans. I don't want things to happen. So I always follow the rules. That's what I do sometimes. I just lie. The first one is when I lost my first drone. Now, I was in Pingdong, Kunding. I was filming a really cool video. I was filming this one. And we were up in the forest. As I was flying back, it wouldn't move. I was holding the throttle 100%. It was stuck in one area. The motors broke inside of it to let it tilt and move. It was literally in a limbo state, fell into the forest and died. 我们用这个 GPS 现在要上去看看能不能抓到。我最怕的是会在树上面。I'm going on an adventure today. Drone is gone. Ow! All the trees, all the bushes, and most of those bushes and stuff are sharp. So it's kind of hard to actually go in there, and just between all of that, it was gone. This up is probably one of the funniest drone encounters I've ever witnessed. 在4月的时候，我跟 Manuel 一起去骊山拍影片。那时候 Manuel 决定把他空拍机飞来飞去，结果呢，他空拍机死掉了。
I lost my baby. Forever lost. To the water. The deep water of Bali.
I shouldn't be laughing right now. I just watched it fly and hit the rock. 它的应该可以用。You know, it's probably okay.
I have a reason to cry tonight. I have a reason to cry tonight. I lost my baby. Forever lost.
Last year in November, I also went with Manuel to Jinmen. And we're at this place and I flew my drone in the air and it just kind of failed. It flew out of the sky onto a beach. Was it China? Was it the communists? We climbed down some cliffs and came to a fence that was just open. So we went through there, we skipped along the beach like happy little boys, and we finally found my drone and went back. Where the story gets absolutely crazy. A few months after the matter, I was watching the news and apparently this beach was a big war zone on Jinmen, and the army had just swept the whole entire beach, finding multiple bombs. Now these bombs were in areas where Manuel and I were skipping. 真的是一个我能够说我还是活下来的一个大空拍机意外。My last big fail was while I was filming a video of my noodle shop, I decided to get some great footage of my drone. I set the drone up there and within minutes, the drone was spiraling down and landed in some random alley. Mr. Blue Shoes, the nice guy of the crowd, picked it up, saved it for me. I traced it with my GPS and I got my drone. It is空拍机. Drones are really a unique filming instrument. It creates another element, lets the video be better, but you spend so much money on something that can randomly fly away. Flying a drone is very, very scary, but very fun. I will say, if you're a drone enthusiast or you're looking to get drones, remember 2 things. Fly with safety, don't be an idiot. What do you want?
Proteins.
Hey, have you had this before? It's peanut douhua, and it is so good. We got a ride. 这个怎么打开? This is crazy!
Right in the back of the car.
这个可以，这个其实可以，谢谢。外面太热。
Okay. Wow. Exactly in the back of the car.
This is so cool. It's hot outside.
Yeah, it's so sunny.
It was hot.
Where are my monkeys?
喝一杯，快乐一杯，米浆万岁。Fun fact, I had 11 pet chickens for 2 years. They were my babies. Will and I, we have traveled to eastern Taiwan. We're right now in Pingdong at Chenggongzhen. We're on a quest to walk around this random forest on this.
Because I want to see for the first time ever a wild monkey.
Insane sunburns, which are just kind of killing me as I turn my neck, but that's okay. I do it for you guys.
I'm gonna be remembering this place for the sunburn that we got, me and Logan. Like, literally crazy. I can feel my skin like burning up right now.
Wonderful lady at the hotel who made a wonderful breakfast. Thank you. She told us there's a chance of seeing wild monkeys and wild boar.
Wild boar.
Wild boar. You're going to have to help me find the biggest fish.
Biggest fish?
And I'm going to buy it. I will buy the biggest fish I can find, and then we'll go give it to like an ama, like a old lady. I don't want a big fish, but I'll just give it to someone. Someone put a mijiang card on the ground. Grace the mijiang! Who did this? Stop it.